Get ready for more swings in equities and oil. It's mostly red across the board for global bourses and black gold, but retailer earnings could bring some cheer to sentiment. The rain may be coming down on the Big Apple, but let's see what's on the horizon for Wall Street. It's time for your Modern Wall Street AM anticipation. In midweek trade here in the U.S., Fed speeches and services PMI will be watched. Yesterday, Fed Vice Chairman Stanley Fischer said that Fed officials simply do not know what course of action they would take at their next meeting. Fischer says it was too early to assess the impact of current market volatility. And overnight, WTI futures fell below $31 a barrel. Hopes of an oil production cut faded after Saudi Arabia's oil minister Al Naimi signaled no cuts would happen to tackle the supply glut. And moving on to company news, earnings from retailers are in the spotlight. Target swung to a profit in the fourth quarter, helped by a gain on the sale of its pharmacy and clinic businesses, as well as a rise in digital sales. Now, quarterly results may have slightly missed analyst expectations, but at the same time, Target expects fiscal 2016 earnings per share to come in between $5.20 and $5.40, which is above expectations. Sticking with retailers, Lowe's reported a 5.2% rise in Q4 sales. Warm weather and a hopping housing market boosted results and 2016 forecasts. And last but not least, in company news, Chesapeake Energy swung to a heavy loss in its fourth quarter. This came as energy prices fell. Now, the U.S. shale driller took a write-down on some of its energy assets. Moving on over to the currency market, safe haven demand is pushing up the yen. The British pound fell below 140 against the U.S. currency for the first time since 2009. Now, it did hit that 7-year low on concerns that Britons might vote to leave the EU in a June referendum.